Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Calendly with Gmail. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open your browser that you're going to follow this tutorial with. For me, I'm using here Brave, but of course for you, you can use other browsers like maybe Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and even Brave like me, or any other browser could be working for you. Then you'd like to go open a new tab, go here to the URL and type calendly.com. Of course, hit the enter button and it will actually take you into this. For me, that's actually my home screen because I already created my account, but for you it will be another home screen. All you need to do just go create your account and that will actually be your home screen. So here, as we said, we would like to set up Calendly with Gmail. First of all, you would like create some events to actually set it up with Gmail. Then all you need to do is click add this integrations. From here, you would like to go and scroll down a bit and this all integration section. So if we scroll down, we will find here Gmail for workflows. So if we click on that, as you can see here, send emails from your Gmail account using workflows. And of course, as you can see here, we are kind of setting the Calendly with Gmail application, with Gmail website. All you need now is just go and click add connect Gmail, and they will actually ask you to connect it with one of your accounts. For me, I have two. Of course, if you have one account, click on it. And if you are even not logging in with any account, click at user account. Or they will actually ask you to add your email or phone, or just sign in normally to your Gmail. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.